In this short and easy to follow video, we will walk you through the steps to download and install PicsArt on your laptop or PC. PicsArt is a versatile photo editing and graphic design tool that opens up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial will help you get started with PicsArt in no time. Follow along as we guide you through the installation process, so you can unleash your creativity and enhance your images with this powerful editing software. Don't miss out on the fun. Watch our tutorial now and start creating stunning visuals with PicsArt. To download and install PicsArt on your laptop or PC, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the PicsArt website. Step 2. Look for the download or get it on Windows button. Step 3. Click on the button to start the download. Step 4. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file, usually in your downloads folder, and double click on it. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to install PicsArt on your computer. Step 6. After the installation is complete, you can launch PicsArt and start using it to edit photos and create artwork.